What's the meaning of AFC? AFC. 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 AFC can refer to several things, but most commonly it stands for automatic frequency control. AFC is a technique used in electronics to maintain the frequency of a signal within specified limits. It does this by adjusting the frequency of an oscillator to match a reference signal. The result is that the output signal remains at a constant frequency, even if the input signal changes slightly. AFC is used in radios and other wireless communication devices to ensure stable, reliable communication. Overall, AFC is an important tool for ensuring the accuracy and reliability of electronic signals.